Hi my loves, get ready for this fully loaded video. We're gonna finally talk about how to get rid of acne scars, and get clear glowing skin with all natural remedies. Also, if you guys are new, don't forget to check out my Instagram at Anita Samantha for daily tips, as well as hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button, and all my links and ebook will be below. So first, I want to jump in with a remedy you can make in your kitchen. Now, if this isn't your thing, you can fast forward because I'm also going to show you all natural products that are essentially the same thing but pre-made, and make sure you watch to the end for some really important hands-on tricks. So first, for the mask, you'll only be needing 3 ingredients, starting with mint leaves. Mint leaves are amazing when it comes to acne. They actually reduce oxidative stress and reduce acne scars as well. And if you do not have mint leaves, you can always use some kind of mint tea, a peppermint tea with just pure peppermint leaves. But for me personally, I find just going out and getting the actual mint leaves are what's best. It doesn't even matter if they're old or wilted, they will still work the same. So you will also be needing something to just mash your mixture in. I usually use this, but since it is such a small amount we need for this mask, I'm just going to be swapping it out for a smaller bowl. So the other 2 ingredients you'll see in a bit, but I do like to start off with the mint leaves. I do not use the stems for this. You actually really don't want the stems for this. You just want to make sure you pick off the actual leaves. I like to use, I'd say, about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons worth, and I usually eyeball this. I've been making it for so many years, so many times, but it should look like that amount. And mint leaves are in so many skincare products. You're actually going to see them in the natural products I show you later in the video, but this is amazing for acne and scarring. And the second ingredient you'll be needing is lemon. Lemon is also amazing for naturally disinfecting and just mix with the mint, getting rid of the fungal properties of acne, as well as lightening up any acne scars and preventing acne scars. So it's really good for both ends, whether you're using it for the acne or the scarring or just the texture of your skin. I eyeball this. Like I said, I'm probably adding about a tablespoon of lemon juice, and then I like to just get rid of that harshness and add another tablespoon of water. So now it's time to mash this all up. You guys, it smells so good, and this is really important to help release the natural properties from the mint leaves. It also helps to oxidize it to a point where it's actively ready to work on your skin. And if you don't have this, you can use a spoon or a fork, but I definitely recommend investing in something like this. I'll link it below. Also, if you made it this far, make sure to comment 3-minute mark right now in the comment section. I'll show you so much love in the comments. So now it's time to apply it, and remember, we're going to go into some really important key skincare products after, so make sure to keep watching. I like to apply this with just some type of flat face mask brush with a dual end, because sometimes I just have 1 or 2 breakouts. Other times I use this on my whole entire face, which is what we're doing today. It feels so good, it's so refreshing, and it's so good for your skin. So I apply it onto my face, and then I'll show you the next steps. So once done, one of the key hacks that I do that literally, I'm not kidding you guys, it gets rid of the pimple, the redness, everything like overnight. I actually take the mint leaves that we mashed up in our mixture, I unfold them, and I apply it to any problem areas. And then I go on with a little bit more of our mask, our natural mask, and apply it on top, kind of like a tattoo, those tattoos you get in the store with some water. You guys, I'm not kidding. You need to comment below if you try this. It will get rid of those breakouts so fast. And then I just like to fan to make sure it dries out. I let it sit for about 25 minutes, 30 minutes, and then I'm going to wash my face so we can go on to the next steps, which are game changers. Now let's get into the key here for removing acne scars and acne for good. So I'm going to talk about this brand called Banish, started by this girl right here, Daisy, who had acne since the 3rd grade. She tried product after product, and then she created this amazing all natural, cruelty-free, vegan skincare brand. Now, I'm not one to heavily promote products, but for the sake of how much I love every single thing they sent me, I have to share. So this is just, first of all, totally up my alley. It's all natural, and they actually created kits so that you can have a step-by-step instruction and product for every step of getting rid of your acne and acne scars. It literally came with all of these things. I will list it down below, and everything is made fresh, and I'm going to show you guys how I use it on my skin. Starting with this game changer, it's called the Banisher, and it's almost like a derma roller, but better because you don't roll it on your face. It's sensitive enough where you press onto your face, and this is key in permanently removing acne scars. It actually has all of these tiny little needles that use 24 karat gold, so this can help with fine lines, with wrinkles, with promoting new skin, as well as getting rid of texture, acne scars. It's absolutely insane how well it works. So how I use it is, first I spray it with some alcohol, and it also comes with this little pamphlet that shows you step by step what to do and a little bit about the product. So I use this alongside with the Banish oil, which is all natural, to help heal your skin after doing this. It does not hurt at all, and I'm actually pretty abrasive with it because I know my skin can take it. And I press it down around 9 times while turning it in any of my problem areas. I recommend just isolating the areas for the first try. I've been using this for a while, so I use it in a lot of areas of my face, such as to minimize my pores, any acne scar that I have, any breakout, things like that. And I go ahead and press down about 9 times while rotating it. This mixed with that Banish oil, which is a really strong vitamin C serum, helps so much with speeding up collagen and fading the scars without having any harmful ingredients. They also give you in this kit a vitamin C lotion, which I also apply, which you guys will see. And I'm just totally speechless you could just tell how much time and effort and quality they put into these products. It's amazing. I'm kind of shook, to be honest, because I've been using it for a while now and the results are amazing. So then I just apply the Banish oil, and after I pat that gently into my face, I will apply the vitamin C cream. I also like to spray the vitamin C elixir spray, as well as they have a mint spray. So if you didn't want to make the little mint mask, you can always just use the pre-made spray that they have, and it feels so good on the face. It smells so good, and it really does give you like a natural glow. So my loves, I will have this linked down below, as well as with any coupon code that I can get. I'm gonna see if I can get one, and if I do, it will be linked in the description, so check it all out. And I hope you liked this video. Comment I finished if you made it this far and finished the video. Also, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll be back very soon with a new video. Of course, my natural ebook is also listed down below, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.